Hey, what's up guys? So in the last video I installed a 12-inch subwoofer into the boot of my car and it's really sick, but in the video all I showed was the before and after the installation and I didn't actually get to show you guys the subwoofer in action. So it's pretty hard to record because whenever you record with like a phone or a GoPro or anything, the bass distorts the sound. So when you record it, it sounds really shit because that's how like good the bass is. It like distorts the sound. So I've got a little video here that I took with my GoPro. I put it from in the front of the car to with the boot open to also in the boot, so you can hear just how like raw and strong it is. But basically got a couple angles, couple of different songs, got the song down below in case you're interested in listening to it for yourselves. But yeah, so do just keep in mind that this doesn't sound as good as it does in person. In person it is so much better, but this is all I can show you, so without further ado, enjoy.
You did, you know how it feels. You did. Shit on these niggas. Stacking my chips now. Fuck with us, we gon' hang it down. Like that chop on my chain. Tsunami, I can't be contained. That's cause he up in that Christmas, cause all this tree I blaze. Catch a bullet right in your face. Dodging, oh shit. Santana, aye. On his dot and that bitch a red bone. Yeah, put the bitch on. I put niggas on like some motherfucking cologne.